ICFixல முறையா ஒரு எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவான இன்டர்வியூ கண்டென்ட் வந்து பார்க்க போறோம். இந்தியாவோட பெஸ்ட் ட்ரெய்னர், டெக்னீஷியன், entrepreneur, founder of Punjabi GSM Team, none other than Mr. Karnvir Singh.
Thank you. I am Karnvir Singh from Punjabi GSM Team, India.
How you came to mobile technician field?
Actually, this was my hobby to repair the damaged things, faulty things. But that time I was not able to fix, but still try to fix.
Okay. And how you become an expert?
Try and try again. Practice makes a man perfect. I have started my repairing journey from approx 2008 and I have started my journey as a training teacher in 2018. Till now we have teached too many students in Android and as well as in iPhone also. This was my hobby. As a hobbyist I have started learning and repairing the things. But in starting definitely I was not able to fix the things. Then I take some classes and have done a lots of practice. Then nowadays we can fix the things normally easily.
At some point you got the spark, right? You can do this and we are choosing the career towards this. What inspired you?
Actually my father told me in my younger days, we are from general category. Okay. He told me that there is no job in this country for you or for people like you. Like we are from general category as we know. That's why he told me to develop some good skill. So if you are skillful in any field, you can survive.
Yes.
And this was my hobby, electronics and all. That's why I came in electronics repairing field.
Do you experience any weird or funny moment during your service time?
Just in starting, when you are not an expert and customer is sitting in front of you, okay, and he is watching what you are doing to his or her device, that time you will be some weird. But after some time, when you get a professional,
Okay.
then everything is easy for you.
Okay.
You can repair in front of people and all. As I remember, after a few years, when I got some confidence on myself that I can do repair in a proper manner, I always have seen the behavior of customers. They want to see what you are doing with their devices. Okay. Sometimes they think you are digging some gold from their plates and all, but they want to see what you are doing with their
Phone.
devices. Yes. So what I have done, I have put one LCD on the wall.
Okay.
And facing customer side.
Okay.
So whatever I am doing in my microscope and in another camera, they can see
Okay.
what I am trying to do in their devices. This build more confidence in myself from customer side. In starting I was not able to do this. Okay. Anyone will not able to do this. When you have a few years experience, then definitely you can go in this side.
Yes. What do you give advice or anything for the younger generation or younger technician and experienced technician? Would you like to give any suggestion or advice to them?
First of all, you should go in the field which you like. Okay. Don't choose any field for money. You can do your best in the only field which you love. If you love your job, you can do good. If you only want to earn money, then definitely you cannot give your 100%. So always choose the profession which you like.
And then last time you shared me one funny incident. You show me your YouTube video also. Actually, your friend broken the board into two pieces.
Actually that was a morning. I came to shop as usual and cleaning process was going on. I was standing outside the shop. One of my neighbor, he also is running a mobile shop. He come to me, he took some, I don't remember the exact model. Samsung was there. Okay. I need your help. I said, okay, what happened? He showed me the phone and the PCB was in two pieces. By mistake, they have broken the PCB. I thought, okay, I have maybe donor PCB and I can swap CPU and hard disk to donor PCB and this will work fine. But when I check my donor PCB and it was not in good condition, water damage and something like that. That time I chose to repair his PCB, which was separated into two PCBs. Then I scratch maybe 7 layers and put jumpers and put both PCB together and hand over him again.
With all working conditions, right?
Yes, everything was working. Mic, charging, network section, everything was working. and this took me about around 7 hours without even standing up from my chair.
Okay.
That time I thought, okay, never do this again in my whole life. This much, these things actually take too much time
Okay.
in your starting days. If you practice again and again and again, maybe you can do in more or less time. That was not for profit. He was my friend, and he was stuck in a bad situation.
Okay.
Maybe he paid me 500 rupees. I don't know. Actually, this was not about money.
Okay.
This was only to help him and show my students how you can repair this type of faults.
And is the only reason you are here also, not about money? Yes.
Yeah.
Am I right, brother?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And how is the class going here?
Yeah,
the
class
IT
is
master?
going good. Now we have cleared almost half theory, 50% we can say. And yesterday we have shown them how you can work on ICs, removing IC, cleaning glue, and revolving IC and replacing IC in PCB again. Now they are doing practice. Students are good. Few students are like freshers. They need some more time.
Okay.
But okay.
You are taking the classes in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, right? And classes and about Tamil Nadu, Chennai. What do you feel about it?
Yeah, actually it's a good experience. Normal in my Punjab institute, we take classes in Hindi language
Okay.
mostly.
Okay.
But here we are teaching in English. Okay, it's a good experience. Learning also. We learn new things when we use new languages with other people. And about Tamil Nadu, Chennai, I have seen Chennai is a clean city, and greenery is also there, which I like most. And food here is also good.
Okay.
Yes.
What food do you like?
Okay. South have mostly idli, dosa and all. Okay, I like all the
Yesterday
things.
we tried what?
Pariyannam, paniyaram. Yeah, yeah.
Paniyaram.
That
You
one
like
is, yeah, I like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
It was delicious.
What do you want to try again? You ate a lot of foods here, right? We visited a lot of restaurants here. Which restaurant you would like to visit again?
Actually, I don't remember the names.
Okay.
Because these names are not familiar to me.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, in North India, you will not see these kinds of names.
Okay.
Okay, but in food, I don't want to do too much research and all. In food, whatever is good for me, I go for that again and again. No need to try more.
Okay. I saw so many times you follow a diet, skipping breakfast, skipping lunch, skipping dinner. So how you manage your health?
This is the big mistake which every technician do in his or okay, I don't know about her, his life. Okay. What they do job like animals. Okay, they do work whole day and still they have many pending work. They also sit at night to complete that work. This is very big mistake.
Okay.
You will not feel this in your earlier days, but as years are going on, your body will start telling you that something is happening which is not good for you.
Okay.
So my advice, you take good decisions in your earlier days. So I think you should always consider your health always.
Okay.
Okay. If you are a healthy person,
Okay.
you can do anything.
Okay.
But if you are not healthy, you cannot do repairs, nothing. So as you know, we have a long sitting job. So we should avoid heavy meals.
Okay.
Consume less and drink more water.
Okay.
Do some exercise.
Okay.
And sleep. At least 8 hours sleep is most important for everyone. Actually, I have done this mistake in my earlier days. Sometimes I only sleep for 4 hours, sometimes only 2 hours, sometimes 5 hours.
Okay.
That time I no feel any change in my body.
Okay.
But after few years, I can see there are too many problems. So now I'm trying to recover them.
Okay.
That's why I am now giving more time to my body.
What is my takeaway from your saying is we can repair phones, but we cannot let others to repair us.
Mostly people start, they don't have money.
Okay.
They think as much as they can do repairs and all, whatever they do,
Okay.
they can earn more. But they forget their health. I think if you earn and then doctor earns from you,
Okay.
okay, that is not good. You should have a balanced life. Earn your money also, earn your health also.
Okay.
You should maintain a balance. Otherwise, it will be not good in your last days.
Okay. And I want to ask you the future question. So, what do you think about mobile servicing in future? So, because a lot of technologies came over here, and we are seeing so much of technologies. Some of the phones we cannot able to repair due to the software or whatever reason. So, in your point of view, what is the future of mobile repairing?
I think if you know basic electronics and you understand schematics in a proper manner, definitely you can do repairs.
Okay.
I am not saying that you will able to fix 100% devices,
Okay.
but for surviving 70-80% still you can do. But if you know about your profession
Okay.
properly, you don't know properly about basic electronics and schematics, you are just trial and error method.
Okay. Okay.
Then definitely
The
it will be
success
hard
ratio
for you.
also will be reduced.
Yes, yes.
So if the people is strong in basic electronics and schematic, mean we can able to do at least 70 to 80% of that.
Actually, most of the mistake which technicians do, I have ever seen in my life, they want to start earning money as soon as possible.
Okay. Yes.
But I think they should give some time for practice and their self-studying.
Okay.
Okay, you need one teacher also.
Okay.
He can give you a right direction, a right path, and can teach many things. But still, you please don't think this. If you pay money to someone,
Okay.
you will get something. You will get knowledge, but you cannot get experience. For experience, you need to do a lots of practice. Many times you will fail. Then one day definitely you will success.
Okay.
So it takes time.
I don't know whether I can ask this question or not. How you're taking updates? Because in the modern world, every 3 months, 6 months, we have to take updates, right?
Actually, you don't need any updates.
Okay.
If your base is good,
Okay.
suppose I will give you one example.
Okay.
In my school days, I learn English language as a subject. Okay.
Okay.
No matter if I am studying a book, its first edition is there, second edition is there, or maybe after 15 years, its 10th or maybe 20th edition is there.
Okay.
If I know English, I can read that book.
Yes.
Same applies in electronics also. The people who stuck, they are that kind of people who don't know basic electronics in a proper manner.
Okay.
If you know very well about basic electronics, then you can read the schematics and you can understand what engineer is trying to do, and you can repair, no issue. But definitely you should have schematics. If schematics are not available in the market, then only your experience can help you in that condition.
Okay.
But if you have schematics, then everything is available. You can check the circuit in the schematics and do your diagnosis in the board.
What is your future goal? What do you want to be in the next 10 years?
Nowadays, I am taking only class for the students which already are running their shops.
Okay.
If someone call me and I always ask him, what kind of work you can do till now in mobile repairs. If he say me that I have not opened any phone till now, I always suggest him, please don't come to me. Okay. Join some your local shop. Learn there how you can open the phone, because nowadays phones are not opening from backside.
Okay.
You need to remove LCD in many models, and if you are not professional in that case, you can break the LCD. Okay. So better to go to some local mobile repair shop and learn there how you can replace LCD, at least how you can replace charging connector. So after that you can join me.
Okay.
I cannot teach how you can open your phone and replace LCD and all. But now I'm thinking to make an institute where we can take freshers also.
Okay.
Okay. We will divide the classes into few parts.
Okay.
One class will be for freshers, another class will be for medium level students, and another class will be there for high level students. High level student, I mean to say, they are doing repair jobs from many years. Many topics are not clear. They want to clear their doubts.
Okay.
That we will call advanced class. Like this, now I will try to start a all-in-one training institute.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe also add OCA work also, like that.
That's good actually. So it will be the complete package for the student.
Yeah, actually now many students want to join.
Okay.
But I am not providing that kind of services, so I need to reject them. In future, I will try to accept all.
So nowadays, most of the people they got interest in electronics, mobile servicing. They come as a fresher, right? So what do you like to give advice, or what is your advice to them?
My main advice is to start from basic electronics. Okay, definitely you will start from opening the phone and all, replacing LCD. You don't know any basic electronics in replacing LCD and charging connector. They are normal jobs. Okay, that are normal jobs.
Yes.
But when you want to start PCB repair, then definitely you should start from basic electronics. Otherwise, in future, definitely you are going to stuck somewhere. But if you start from basic electronics, you can understand schematics, diagrams also. That will be more good for you.
Okay.
Actually, this is my personal experience.
Okay.
How I started my journey. I started my first class in my local city. Okay. I was just sitting behind my first teacher.
Okay.
Whatever he do, I copy.
Okay.
Now I feel he don't know basic electronics.
Okay.
I am talking around 2008.
Okay.
That time Nokia phones was there, 6600, 7610,
Okay.
Engage and all, Sony, Ericsson, these phones was there.
Okay.
That time main repair was heat that IC.
Okay.
Most of the phones were alive after heating up the IC.
Dry soldering. Okay.
Yes. But after few years, they started putting some epoxy glue in the ICs. Now if you heat up an IC with under glue,
Okay.
definitely your phone will get damaged. Many things happened to me after that class. Like I received one phone to replace charging connector. I replaced charging connector, but suddenly I don't know how phone got died.
Okay.
Okay. That time I feel I don't know how to repair that phone.
Okay.
That time I decide to go in basic electronics part. Then I go to another teacher. He teach me about basic electronics, schematics and all. What I mean to say, if you know about basic electronics, if you know about schematics, diagrams, definitely you can survive. Without diagram, it is a trial and error method, I think.
What do you think about ICFix Services?
Yeah, you are definitely doing good. Which thing I like here, you have different classes for different level of students. That is good. And you are also trying to help them after class and before class also.
Yes.
That's also good for students.
Apart from the mobile servicing, you have any hobbies? You have time for the hobbies?
Before few months, I was only doing mobile repairing and classes. Okay, but now I have changed my lifestyle.
Okay.
I bought one bike
Okay.
for adventure purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Now I go for rides.
Okay. What bike you bought?
Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650.
Wow.
Yeah.
Super. So how was it?
Yeah, ultimate.
Yeah.
I like its sound.
Okay. So
Definitely you should have something in your life if you want to really live in a good manner.
Okay.
Only work and sleep, eat, work, sleep. This is not the life.
Yes.
But many people feel this after a few years.
Yes.
Okay. But okay, I am not too much old. Can enjoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is your first ride? Where you get the bike?
I go to Nangal Dam
Nangal Dam.
in Himachal Pradesh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to thank you, brother, for trust us and come here. And the classes are going really super.
Yeah.
And as your standard and Michael bro also here. We hope this journey will continue for a very long time.
Yeah, sure.
And our friendship also will continue. I hope.
Yes.
So anything you would like to ask me, brother?
Thank you. Everything is good. You are doing good.
Okay.
That's main thing.
Okay. Thank you so much, brother. Thanks for the interview.
Thank you.
இவ்வளோ நேரம் வந்து இங்கிலீஷை பிச்சு துப்பிட்டு இருந்தோம். கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த இன்டர்வியூ வந்து பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறதுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.